put this out here. Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. Yeah, where does that go? Does it go in there? Good job. Good girl. Yay! Where does that one go? Nope. Try the blue. You have to turn it. Here. Here. Try that one. Good girl. Yay! Try it in there. Yay! Drop it. Good girl. Okay, dump it out. Is the triangle by you somewhere? Wow. Push it in there. Yep, that was right. Good girl. Put it in there. Put the star in the star. Good job. Put it in there. Yep. Yay! She's matching it. Okay, where does that go? Yep, that was right. Nope, you were right, Allie. Have a little patience, my child. Good girl. Bring it back over here. Do you see the triangle anywhere? Nope, that's a circle. Where does the blue circle go? You're okay. What goes in there? You're getting tired, huh? Yep, that was right. Put it in there. Yeah, where does it go? Allie, where does it go? Can you find the yellow star? Oh, it's kind of a sassy thing. Hey, should we play with this? Oh, it's your unicorn. Okay. That'll be pretty fun. Does he go in here? Oh, he's a telephone. Okay. You're pretty serious. Here. Whoa! You're tired, huh? Did you get some pictures of her tonight? Is that your unicorn?